do it quickly. The second one, just go ahead and do. I don't want to waste time doing this. This one in the middle here is 1 minus 0.4 minus 0.24 minus 0.0. So this is just to recap what you learned in secondary school. Will be what? 1, 0.29. Thank you very much. 0.29. Quite good. You pass your test. You're the one who passed the test. Okay. Okay. Okay, so for this one here, you just use PA intersect B over PB. Just use the formula. Don't need to just read it. Just use the formula. So PB will be 0.29 plus 0.07, 0.29. Intersect. If you have problem shading, let me know. I can give you the Sec 4 Venn diagram sets. Shading, yeah, just shade. A prime intersect B prime is, yes. If you put 0.07 only, you are looking at the global, like the universal chance of happening. So it's 36. This would be A prime would be B prime intersect A prime. Yeah, the one below. Inequality one. Okay, okay, just pause and hear what I have to say a bit. Just hear me a bit. Now, a very quick way to check whether your conditional probability is wrong, right? Just hear this out. Whatever is on top come from below. See that? Important. Very important. Crucial. You see this one? Everything conditional, right? All comes from below one. If you have extra stuff, let's say you have an extra A here, which is not from below, right? Means your answer is your stuff is wrong. Always comes from below one. That's the condition. You're right. And it's because of the condition. You need to pick the condition. You need to pick the events from the bottom, the condition that you set.